Imagine a grand theater screen as your consciousness. Thoughts, emotions, and sensations play like movies, constantly changing, vying for your attention. But in the pause, in the space between the frames, you see only pure consciousness, untainted, unchanging. It's the canvas for life's drama, untouched by the world, a vast expanse of unadulterated awareness. Your true self, the silent witness, detached from fleeting experiences, remains ever present and unwavering. Embrace this stillness, this profound state of being, and uncover the truth of your existence. It's self-realization, the key to unlocking your inner mysteries, the gateway to ultimate liberation. Are you ready to hit pause, to step back from the ever-changing show of life, and catch a glimpse of the truth that lies behind the screen?